Welcome to the home remedies, friends. Welcome to the home remedies. Part of the today's home remedies, we are trying to understand about the piles problem. It's a piles problem, or we call it a Mula Vyadhi. So this disease, how does it come, why it comes, and what are the remedies, what are the natural lifestyle we are to adopt. All these things today we will try to see very clearly. Okay, in detail we can see. So this disease poses a very serious problem. In fact, so this is also mainly caused by indigestion, irregular food, late night meals, not passing stool and urine on time, not drinking much water, consumption of artificial and cold water and cold drinks also. They used to drink, and use of highly salty food is the cause of this disease. These are the various causes of this particular disease, my dear friends. Now, so when this disease comes, it creates a lot of irregular, the lot of irregularity and a lot of difficulty while passing the stools, my dear friends. So we have to be careful about this one. Or what is the natural order you have to follow? Bathing your head is mandatory, cold water is good, and do not eat dinner until the disease is cured. Drink only porridge, ganji. Only drink ganji, that's enough for the dinner, especially. People who have especially this piles problem. Consuming more water is in a copper pot. From your copper pot, whatever is stored, please consume that. And then coffee, wheat, maida, dalda, fried items, meat, pumpkin, raw pepper, all these things should not be consumed till the disease is cured. Okay, so be careful. So not using these substances, my dear friends. This is a natural order. And what are the remedies? How do you take the help of this piles problem? How can you solve it? What are the remedies available? Number one, so take 2 glasses of water in the morning. Add a half spoonful of poppy seed powder. In fact, so poppy seed powder, gasa, we call it as gasa, poppy seed powder, and then drink. If you add 2 poppy seed, 2 spoon, 1 half spoon of poppy seed powder into 2 glasses of water every day in the morning, just drink it. Okay, that kind of things, if you make it and drink, then your piles problem will be soon solved. And the second one, add 1 cup of tender coconut water, half spoon of honey, 2 cardamom seeds in the afternoon, and consume it before lunch. Before lunch, you can take this kashaya. Okay, so this particular combination of kashaya, you please take it for the piles problem. The first one is different, second one is also different. So that one, so that way, for the first one morning you are taking, second one you are taking in the afternoon. The third one, drink 1 glass of A2 milk, friends. 3 spoons of sesame powder you have to add, 1 spoon of butter you have to add at the night. No more dinner. So there's no dinner more than this. Whatever this is there, it's sufficient. You don't need to eat, again, separate dinner, my dear friends. And use flour instead of soap for bathing. Many of the people, they used to use for the bathing soap and all, right? You have to avoid it and then come back to our ancient methods using flour powder. Okay, we should do that. So please keep doing this. Okay. So like this, friends, we try to understand the home remedies for the piles. Okay, home remedies which we can make out of our kitchen. Okay, the kitchen ingredients. Now I want to tell you to make you to practice one best mudra for this piles totally resolution. That means this piles problem will be removed. So with the help of this mudra, it's very powerful mudra, my dear friends. Okay. So now let's start practicing this mudra. This mudra is called Sahaja Shanka mudra. Try to understand. This mudra is called Sahaja Shanka mudra. Sahaja Shanka mudra need to be practiced such a way that you have to sit straight, comfortably on the chair, on the floor mat, wherever. Sit comfortably, straight. Your back must be straight, erected. And then, so what you have to do, these 2 hands must be cleaned properly, and no more, no more nails should be there. Nails should not be more. So both hands must be clean. Now, this is how these 2 hands. Now, fingers into fingers, all the fingers into fingers, my dear friends. Keep like this, and see all the fingers into fingers. Both the palms should touch. Okay, fingers into fingers. Both the palms should be press each palm to other palm, pressing. Okay, and both the thumbs must be just connected like this, and apply the pressure on both the 4 fingers of the other 2 hands like this. See, this is the way. So this mudra is called Sahaja Shanka mudra. Sahaja Shanka mudra. So do like this, then keep on your lap, and then start practicing. Okay, how much time you have to practice? 30 to 40 minutes in one shot. You keep practicing this. Okay. So which is very, very powerful mudra to resolve the piles issue. So this has to be done at one shot. Minimum you have to do. So minimum you must do the 30 to 40 minutes. You must do on one shot, followed by prana mudra. Prana mudra you must practice again 10 to 15 minutes, my dear friends. So it's very simple. Prana mudra. All of us know this. This is the prana mudra. This is how we need to do the prana mudra. So this prana mudra, keep it for again 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. So after that, you can close the mudra. So that mudra, this mudra is definitely going to heal your, so-called the problem of files, my dear friends. So it's very, very powerful mudra. Please keep using it. Okay. Right. So now, friends, we have seen the mudra, how it is going to helpful, which mudra is going to help for the files. So what is pyramid? Pyramid, already we know, every day we are trying to learn the different benefits of pyramids, my dear friends. Okay. The pyramid is four equilateral triangles which are attached at the apex, attached, then it forms a pyramid. All the four side triangles are equal. What is more important is my base. What is the base value on the ground? I have to calculate. I have to fix first. I have to decide that value. If I decide the base value as a 10, your side must be 9.5 feet. It is about 0.95. It is 95%. And if your height is center, whatever the center it is, your center is height from the base to the apex, the point of the apex, that is called height. Height is equal to 0.65 into base, that is 65% of the base. So probably it is more close to 6 feet, my dear friends. That is the height of the pyramid. So this is how we need to calculate the pyramid dimensions. So pyramid can be constructed by ourselves with these kind of calculations, my dear friends. Now, we would like to understand today what are the main benefits of the pyramids. So part of the so many benefits of the pyramid, let's understand two major benefits. Some of the one or two major benefits out of so many benefits. Let's see today. The number one, provides relief from arthritis. It means it is going to provide the great relief for the arthritis patients. Just to do one thing, you take 4-inch pyramids. Okay, 4-inch pyramids you take, and wherever arthritis, joint pains is there, so keep on the top of that and start doing meditation. Simple. Okay. If you keep doing this, my dear friends, so definitely you will be resolving your problem very soon. All the arthritis problem, all these things. You have to take a 4-inch pyramid. Okay. And keep on the wherever the problem is there, problematic area, you have to keep on practicing. Okay. At the same time, heals ulcers and broken bones. If somebody is having a broken bones, suffering, and especially ulcers are there in the stomach or this and that, any place, okay, then you must use these pyramids, like especially the problematic place, you can keep the pyramid and start practicing. Okay, so then definitely, so these ulcers and broken bones will be cured. Okay, so these are the major benefits of the pyramid, my friends. Every day you must use. Every day, every house you must have one pyramid. Already we have been discussing so far. So almost like for last, so today 18th day till now we have been discussing so many benefits of the pyramids. We have seen every day two benefits of the pyramid. It means how many benefits will be there? Approximately 30-40 benefits are there for a pyramid. You can understand. So that is the application of pyramid. So please start using it widely in your life. Okay. So in order to maximize the energy of our life. Okay. So let's not waste the energy. Whatever the energy we receive through many other means. Okay. Let's not waste it. Okay. We have to maximize it. In order to maximize the life, the energies, the pyramid is the best source for maximization of the energy. Okay. Right. And we'll try to see some of the home remedies for mental health, friends. Some of the great statements we can take from. So this kind of a good intellect is here. So the most evil of games is gambling. Gambling is the most evil of the games. You take so many games, out of that one of the evil game is actually gambling. So let's not, this has to be go out. So the greatest task for women is child rearing. So the growth of the child, I mean, how she will bring up the child, that is the greatest task for the woman, my dear friends. So the greatest occupation among all occupations is agriculture. See, without doing agriculture, right? We already discussed the spiritual farming. without you doing agriculture. So many of the foods will be get prepared only the corporate companies. Then we may need to buy and eat. Such is the situation we are going to receive. We are going to reach, my dear friends. So that's why greatest occupation among the best occupation is agriculture. The world's greatest and amazing discovery is zero. Friends, any number of ones, so they will have only value when zero is placed adjacent to it. Isn't it? So that means zero is the basic foundation for the entire mathematics, which is discovered by, especially we have to be proud of ourselves that from the India itself, this zero is invented. And of course, a lot of experiments, everything they conducted, and amazing discovery they have done. So this is the world's greatest and amazing discovery from our ancient India, I can say. Our ancient India has done this greatest discovery, amazing discovery, and greatest innovation. That is zero. So the zero is the one which is invented by our own Sanatana Dharma, great rishis. Okay, my dear friends. So thank you, friends.